So we got a beautiful day out in Plymouth. What we're looking at again is fixing 5 of these boots and 3 HVAC systems. Up on the roof, taking a peek, one of the first boots that we've got. It's got a hole in it. Let's take a peek. So what we're doing is currently just putting some membrane cleaner on, clean everything up, getting the dust off there. So that's important.
And what you see here is us folding the flashing around the pipe boot to make sure that it's watertight.
And the challenge with these roofs a lot of times, I know I'm going to make everyone sick, is you get sitting water and the water's not moving around. And so these units, if it's ever concaved or water sits next to them, if there's a little pinhole leak, enough rain sitting there long periods of time will show up in the interior of the building. So just common maintenance. Check these corners, check around all the units. The more penetrations you have in your roof, the more issues happen, and that's just natural building construction. So
thanks for watching our video. And if you ever need help in the Minneapolis area, Stinson Services is here to do it. We provide both repairs and replacements for business and residential homes. So check us out. Give us a call at 952-933-4510. You'll be glad you did.